Let's talk about AMG, a name that resonates with car enthusiasts around the world. You know, those three letters that make your heart race. AMG isn't just a badge, it's a promise of unparalleled performance and engineering excellence. They stand for something special in the car world, a blend of luxury and raw power that few can match. Raw power, utter precision. Every AMG car is a testament to what happens when passion meets engineering, and the kind of engineering that borders on the obsessive. Each component is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that every car performs at its peak. But it wasn't always this way. The journey of AMG is as fascinating as the cars they produce. AMG's story starts in the 1960s, a time when the automotive world was on the brink of a revolution. Two former Mercedes engineers, Hans Werner Aufrecht and Erhard Melcher, had a passion. They loved racing. And they loved Mercedes. They started tinkering. Their goal was simple yet ambitious, to create the ultimate performance car. They wanted to squeeze every ounce of performance from these German machines. They believed that with the right tweaks, a Mercedes could be transformed into a racing legend. Their workshop? A quiet village called Gross Aspach. It was here in this unassuming location that the magic began, hence the A and the G in AMG. Gross Aspach was more than just a place, it was the birthplace of a revolution. The M comes from Melcher's name. Their reputation grew quickly. Word spread about the incredible machines coming out of their small workshop. They weren't just mechanics, they were artists. Every car they touched became a masterpiece of engineering and performance. They transformed ordinary Mercedes into track-devouring beasts. Word got around. Soon their creations were dominating races and turning heads. Soon, petrolheads with deep pockets and a need for speed came calling. They wanted a piece of the AMG magic, and the rest, as they say, is history. From those humble beginnings, AMG grew into a powerhouse of performance engineering. AMG went from a small-town garage to a global phenomenon. Today, their name is synonymous with high-performance luxury cars. They became synonymous with performance, with luxury. Every AMG car is a blend of cutting-edge technology and timeless design, with that unmistakable growl that sends shivers down your spine. It's a sound that signifies power, precision, and passion. This wasn't just a company, it was a statement, a declaration that ordinary just wouldn't do. AMG set the standard for what a performance car should be, a declaration that ordinary just wouldn't do. And as they continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, the legend of AMG only grows stronger.